Hi, my name is Joe, and I will be teaching you how to properly treat a door for better soundproofing by preventing leaks at the door gaps. The door opening, it's the weakest link to achieve proper soundproofing, and that's why it's important to make sure that your door seal is as tight as possible. Now first off, be sure to use a solid core door. The heavier the better. Then you need to ensure that the sound does not leak through the gap at the bottom of the door. And for this, you'll need an automatic door bottom by Trademark Soundproofing. Automatic door bottom. The automatic door bottom can be installed mortised into the door as well as on the outside surface of the door. Door bottom drops and seals when the door closes. Measure and cut the door bottom to the width of the door. On surface-mounted models, deduct the space for the door jambs and seals. Then apply the door bottom to the door with the push nut towards the hinges. Adjust the plunge of the door bottom by turning the push nut. The door bottom is reversible, therefore it can be applied to right or left swing doors. The automatic door bottom can also be installed mortised into the door. Cut a groove at the bottom of the door. Cut the automatic door bottom to the length of the door and install with the provided screws. Follow the same steps to adjust the plunge of the seal. For more information, contact us at 845-388-1200.